And today I'm going to tell you about something new that I've discovered, and I'm sure you've heard about it. It's only that maybe you've not Welcome back it. Guys, I'm so happy to have you back. It's been a minute. I've been so busy. I'm telling you, content creation is not easy, and sometimes we get caught up in so much work, life balance, everything, until even time for shooting a video is a problem. So I'm back again. Thanks a lot for having you here. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And for the new guys, if you've joined me recently, my name is Sheila and I'm so happy to have you around. And please join the community so that we share so much here. It's all about investments and making money online. So today, as I said, I've been busy and I'll let you know what I've been up to. Let me tell you guys, whenever I talk about investment, I always want to try something to tell you something I've tried and tested so that I'm able to share with you so that you can benefit as well. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And it's about Forex trading. Guys, Forex trading. I've been interested in learning so much about Forex of late. Since the year began, I had told myself this year one of my goals was I need to learn Forex, because I know I've had people making money in Forex, and also scammers. We have so many scammers around. So it's hard to trust anyone when it comes to investment. And this is especially here in Kenya, things like Forex, mostly the people we have are just scammers all over. So the only way is find a way of learning about all these things by yourself. Don't rely on someone's information, and because most people they'll mislead you. We have scammers who are using the name Forex, but in real sense they're actually scamming people their money. And so I'll let you know today what I've come to learn. It's been a few months of me doing my research and learning and even trying doing the Forex thing. So sit back and enjoy. And if you've been looking to know about Forex, please, this is the video for you, and I hope you enjoy. So in the first place, where I started from, I needed to know about, I know what Forex is, and now I wanted to know how do people really make money in Forex, because most people you see around, they're really living flashy lifestyle, and they tell you they are doing Forex. But majority of them, what I've come to discover is that what they don't tell people is the risk involved. There's a very high risk when it comes to investing in Forex. As I told you, I've done my research, I've studied, I've taken time to learn Forex to the core, and I'm still learning. But I just said, let me come here so that I share a little information that I know about Forex. First, for those who don't understand, basically Forex is exchange of currencies in the foreign exchange market, like in the financial markets. In financial markets, there are many commodities that are exchanged, including currencies, commodities, all those oil and gas. So there's so much happening in the Forex industry, the financial markets. And now, for sure, it has some good returns. And as you know, anything with high returns definitely has equal risk. So you can make 50% profit on your investment, but again, you can lose same 50% in your investment. So it's a very, very high risk kind of investment, but with proper skills and risk management, you are able to make money. So it's not easy. So whenever you hear someone telling you pay, I don't know, $500, $400, I train you, I wish they could just tell people what kind of market the Forex market is. It's not an easy market. I've been doing it for, I can say, like 2 months. And from my experience, if you don't have shock absorbers in you, if you're not ready to risk your money, if you're not a risk taker, it's not for you. It's a very high risk kind of investment. You will lose your money before you learn how to make those profits. You're going to lose a lot of money. And most trainers, what they don't tell people, they lie a lot. These Forex FX guys, I think you've seen them on TikTok everywhere. They call them FX, FX, FX. These guys will never tell you that their money, majority of them make their money through selling courses. And that's why I told myself, I'm not going to buy anyone's course. The materials to learn Forex are all over the internet. They just download and come and sell to you. And they sell very expensive. The least I've seen is $300, $400 for a course. Why should you just learn something thinking you're going to make money and you've paid a lot of money to acquire the course? And trust me, until you get into the market, you'll never understand that just because you've bought a course, it means you're going to make profits. There's nothing like that. In fact, you're going to lose many accounts. You lose even $1,000 before you learn how to make profits. So to me, I'd rather go. I told myself I'd rather go to the internet. There's so much information. Every information you need is on YouTube. It's on Google, everywhere. You can get all the information if you want to know about Forex. Let no one just lie to you and sell for you a course. Then, and those fake classes, because majority even don't even know what they are teaching. Someone just downloads a course, then they sell to you. Why? Just take your time. Let's not be lazy. If you have to learn about something, just get down, get your laptop. If you have an internet, because all you need a laptop and a good internet connection, and that's all. You'll learn so much. The information is endless. So all that they are selling to you, unless you are lazy, but again, even if you are lazy and someone sells to your course, still you cannot make it. So it doesn't mean that when you pay for a course somewhere, it means you're going to make money. You can still make losses. The only thing I came to realize is that Forex, you can only learn it while you are in the market. Learn the fundamentals, the technical skills online, then do some practice on demo accounts. Demo accounts are basically the where you practice before you now get into the real market. But the real experience, let me tell you, is when you're in the market. The shock, the trading psychology is not easy. You can lose your mind. That's why I said, if you are not a risk taker, just go for alternative investments. Go just for the safe money markets and bonds that we know and understand. Forex is for the people with high risk appetite. Use the money if you have money that you're going to risk, because it doesn't guarantee you. If you put $1,000 in a Forex market, you are definitely going to get, you can actually blow the whole amount and get nothing, zero out of it. So for me, I can advise anyone who is interested. It's a lucrative investment. Like, once you learn the skills, people are making money in it, but not very many people are making money from Forex. That I can tell you for sure. Majority of people, these people you see around flashing around, they're not making money from trading. They are selling courses. Let me tell you, they are selling courses to you. And even those who promise you, unless they're this investment banking, maybe you just give them your money and they can invest for you. The professionals, people who have real experience over time. But for just individuals, and I've seen like everyone is selling courses all over, like selling Forex course for $100, for $300. Guys, get down. If you have an internet connection, just go and search Forex markets or Forex for beginners if you want to learn about Forex markets. So it's simply, it's like, it's a business which can, in long term, can really be, can help. It can generate some good income, but initially it's not easy. It's not easy. You lose money to make money. It's like driving. To me, I look at it like when you go for a driving school, you'll never learn driving just by doing theory work. You'll never learn driving just by being in class on that table. You need to get on the road, hit other cars, scratch other cars. Like, you'll make mistakes before you get the hang of it. Before you now say, I'm now a professional driver, or I can drive well. You have to go through mistakes. You make mistakes. The same way, that's how Forex market applies. You never learn Forex just by studying, like buying those courses. You have to risk some money, have some money put in the market, then blow a few accounts, but you just need mentorship, and just let's not those people charge you so much. The information is online, and I think trading psychology is something you learn by practicing. You really feel like you've lost it. You can even lose your mind. That's why I said, if you're not a risk taker, it's not a good investment for you. If you hear someone talking about Forex, just run if you don't have high risk appetite. Because, yeah, you'll make money eventually, but you'll lose a lot before you start making money. So that's what I've been up to in the last few months. I've really been studying it. It was like I went back to school just to study Forex markets. And I can tell you, I think I'm getting better. The worst part was trading psychology. Man, when you lose money, it's hard even to just accept that that money is gone. It's gone. You can make $100 now. The next 30 minutes, it's gone once you're in the market. Because in Forex is where people just exchange currencies. Sometimes you can have wrong analysis. When your analysis go against the market, you lose money. So it's sort of a game. People call it's like gambling, but it can only be gambling if you don't learn the rules. This is trading with the rules. It has rules. And sometimes you can never predict the market. You only work with the probability in the market. You might be lucky, the market will go your way, whether you're buying or selling currencies, or it can go against you or with you so that you make profits. I was not ready to talk about it here until I try and maybe come back with my testimony. So for now, what I can tell you is that it's a very, very high risk kind of investment. Don't go in it if you are not ready. If you don't have the shock absorbers, you can lose money. Let me tell you, we are better safe with money market. So unless you are a risk taker, just let those who can risk, let them risk. I'm one of the people who are willing to risk because I'm learning in the process, but it's not easy for just anybody. Just that's what I can tell you. I've already experienced the shocks. I've seen the profits. I've seen them go. I've seen them come back. So it's not easy for someone with someone with an easy. If you get angry easily, I don't think you can do it. Something that you can actually lose your mind if you're not ready for it. Yeah, because people see majority of people who market forex trading companies or the brokers, they use really flashy lifestyle, and that's just a way of luring people to join their company. But they don't tell you you're going to lose their capital you're giving them, because at the end of the day, once you join their brokerage, you have to deposit some money. Once you lose that money, you cannot blame them. They'll just tell you it's the market. So you cannot report them anywhere. So just take caution in case you want to try. Try it, learn it yourself, get in it knowing the risks that are there. And then maybe from there you will know whether it's something for you or not. But I can tell you for sure it's not easy, but it's something you need to learn. Once you learn the skill, it's a skill that you'll have forever, and you'll make a lot of money. So I think that's what I had for today. I had to share with you this one because I've been thinking, really, how come people are making so much money in forex and not many people? All the what we are hearing is the scammers using the forex name and Bitcoin mining and all that. So let's just take time and learn. Don't get into any investment that you don't understand how it works. Play safe with what you know. Play safe with the circles that you know. Play safe with the money markets that you know. Play safe with bonds that you know and things that are regulated by the government. And so that's what I have to say today. I hope you've learned something. Let me know if you've ever invested in the forex markets, or if you've ever done forex trading. What do you think about it? Do you think it's scamming? Is it a scam? What do you think? Leave a comment below and I'll talk to you again in my next video. For now, bye bye.